Hi guys, just sharing something that I saw in the coffee and sugar graph. Just going to keep it short today, just a couple of minutes. This is the weekly graph of coffee here. As you can see, we've had a bear market since 2008. It's just turned up. We have this wedge formation that's broken out of that. Nicely broke out, retest, new high. So all systems go. There's my buy position there. That's the weekly graph. Let's go to the daily. Daily's looking great, just looking for a retracement here actually to add to the position and then probably add again, making a new high. If it keeps moving up, I'll just be forced to add to the position. Going to a 4-hour graph, or 2 hour. Let's have a look to maybe a retracement to this swing low here might be in order. And yeah, that's all looking good. So looking to push up this year to the 2200 mark, but being inflationary area ahead, and this the bear market, the magnitude of this bear market, I just believe, I got the feeling that this market is just going to keep going. So as it did, pre 2011. So that's the coffee. Let's have a look at the sugar. Okay, sugar graph there. Daily, let's bring up the weekly graph. This is looking really good here. We've got a wedge formation on top of the old high here. Once again, a prolonged bear market, bottoming out, turning up. It looks like it's just warming up here. Looking very good. So go to the daily graph, and we are bouncing off the moving averages. I was just having a look last time we bounced off the moving averages after going sideways, was back here, and nice bull run came after that. So hopefully we'll do the same here. The MACD's just turned up. It's just, the histogram's just turned positive. We go to a 2-hour graph. It's all looking good, just looking for a bounce here. So hopefully we can get that, some bullish reason to buy this, and it's a 10-minute graph. Yeah, I'll be looking closely for a buy position here, and then adding to that position, making a new high and a new daily high. Go to the daily graph, buy there, and then buy the breakout. Buy the breakout, get a breakout on volume. So that'll be good. And then looking for a target of the 600 mark. We're at the moment at 466, and same as the coffee, I just believe we have a great possibility to keep going and touch make a new all-time high. And why not after such a prolonged bear market and coming into inflationary times? Okay, well, please like and subscribe, and I'm going to be doing updates on this and other currencies soon. There's a few currencies I'll be doing next couple of days, and crypto. So if that interests you, please subscribe and like, and leave a comment if there's something that you'd like to have a look at. Okay, until next time, bye.